Rain, rain, go away, or Murphy's rain tax mommy pays. All we can afford is droughts until the